Thanks for the like, Francisco. Hi, Bikram. Do you go to gym? And I didn't go to gym. Ever since began. Ever since began. Why? That's natural. Natural. Monkey Puweng, hello. That's natural. Because I always walk every day. Doing a housework. Everything. Why naman mag-stand? Stand up. Jeez. Mag-stand up. Oh, ayan na. Nag-stand up na ako, guys. Ibang fit ng short. Maluwag na nga itong short ko eh. It's not fit anymore. Maluwag na siya. It's cold, not hot. It's cold right now. Are you from Dubai? I'm from Philippines. Anak. Yung my cat is under my phone stand. Alis! Sige. Wala ka dyan. Hindi ka makalis dyan. Huy! Shh. Alis dyan. I'm just only in the house. I'm walk every day. Every walk. To go to school, to pick up my kids, and then housework, do laundry. My everyday routine. That's why. Ooh, there's a flies. Hello, Shiva. Naku. Raga ka mo. Raga. Hi, Shiva. Good morning. Guys, don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like. If you don't like, it's okay. Yeah. After my coffee, it's routine day. Routine day, guys. Cleaning, doing laundry. Naglaban na pala ako. Ay, nako. Kinsan ko ito. Wala akong abs. Absolutely. Sakit ng kamay. I don't have abs. all fat. No abs. Fat lang meron ako. I have only fat. Fat, not abs.